Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will create Delete API using Node.js with Mongoose. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.js file. Next, open your terminal and install Express and Mongoose package. For Express, write npm I, install, Express command and press enter. Next, for Mongoose write npm I Mongoose command and press enter. In package.json file, you can see we successfully install Express and Mongoose packages. Next, create a config.js file for Spirit database connection. First, import Mongoose package. Next, create a connection with database. In connect method we can pass the path of our server. Here, I can use a local server, so I pass localhost path. Here, I want to connect to ecom database, which have one collection named products. And in this collection we can get the product name, price brand and also get a category of the product. In connect method we can pass mongob // localhost 27017/ecom. Ecom is the name of database which we want to connect. Next we create a new file with name products.js. In this file we create a schemas and model for products. First, we import Mongoose packages. Next, create a schema. In this schema, we enter which data we can get from the user and set its type, example, string, number, etc. In this product collection, we want to save the name of product, price, brand and category of product. Next, exports the model module. Here you have a question why we export model module. Because model contains a schema, due to this reason we export model module. In model, we have two parameters, first contain collection name and second contain our schema. Next, open your index.js file. First, import Express module. Then, import config.js file. Next, import model form products.js file. Next, create an app. Next, choose your port where you want to run your application. I choose 5000. Next, I use app_delete method. In this we have two parameters. In first parameter we define a route and second we define callback function. Here, I give delete route. In callback function we have two parameter request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use res.send method to check our API work properly or not. Now, open your terminal and run index.js file. Next, open Postman. Click on +sign. Next select delete method and here enter the URL of UApp. I enter http // localhost 5000/delete, delete our route. Next, click on send button. In bottom container you can see I get output successfully. It mean our delete API work properly. Here, in database you can see I have some record. I want to delete this record using delete API. Next, I write a code for deleting record. For this I use delete one method. Delete one method return promise. For handling this promise first I need to make a function async. So I send ID and match this ID with database record ID and delete those record. For this I write ID in front of our route. Next, I pass reqperms method in delete method. We send this ID using postman. Next, I pass data variable in res.send method. I open database. And here, I want to delete first record from database which name Vivo Y20. Copy the ID of this record. Next, open your postman and paste copied ID in search field next to root. Next, click on send button. In bottom container, you can see I get acknowledgement true and delete count 1. It mean our data deleted successfully from database. Now, open database and refresh it. You can see our record successfully deleted from database. You can delete any record using Delete API. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.